Today, exploring the timeless beauty of this stunning black pearl jewelry kit. If you love elegant accessories that make a lasting impression, you're in the right place. At first glance, black pearls stand out with their mysterious, luxurious shine. Unlike traditional white pearls, they offer a bold and sophisticated look that instantly captures attention. Their deep, rich color symbolizes confidence, elegance, and individuality, making them a perfect choice for anyone who wants to express a unique sense of style. This beautiful jewelry kit is carefully designed to complement both modern and classic fashion. The matching necklace, earrings, and bracelet create a complete, coordinated look that is perfect for every special occasion. Whether you're attending a wedding, an evening party, a formal dinner, or a family celebration, this jewelry set adds effortless glamour to your outfit. One of the best features of black pearl jewelry is its incredible versatility. Pair it with a simple black dress for a timeless, elegant appearance. Wear it with white or silver clothing for a striking contrast. It also looks stunning with deep shades like navy blue, emerald green, burgundy, or royal purple. No matter your personal style, black pearls blend beautifully with a wide variety of fashion choices. Beyond their beauty, pearls have always represented grace, wisdom, and sophistication. Black pearls, in particular, are admired for their rare and exotic appearance. Their smooth surface reflects light beautifully, creating a soft, luxurious glow from every angle. Every movement highlights their natural charm, making them impossible to ignore. This jewelry kit also makes a thoughtful and memorable gift. Whether it's for a birthday, anniversary, Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, or another special occasion, black pearl jewelry is a meaningful way to show love and appreciation. It's a gift that never goes out of style and can be treasured for years to come. To keep your pearls looking their best, store them in a soft pouch or jewelry box. Avoid contact with perfumes, hairsprays, and harsh chemicals. After wearing them, gently wipe each piece with a soft cloth to preserve their natural shine and beauty. Fashion trends may change, but pearls remain timeless. Black pearl jewelry offers the perfect combination of luxury, elegance, and modern style. It's an accessory that enhances your confidence, while adding a refined finishing touch to any outfit. If you're looking for jewelry that combines sophistication with everyday versatility, this black pearl jewelry kit is an excellent choice. It's more than just an accessory, it's a statement of elegance, confidence, and lasting beauty. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this jewelry showcase, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beautiful jewelry collections, fashion inspiration, and styling ideas. See you in the next video.
See you in the next video. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for more updates.